up, everybody? How's it going? Glenn and Reed here from Hawaii Trading Academy, coming at you on this nice Sunday evening, October 16th, getting ready to go over our weekly watch list where we prep and prepare for the markets for this coming week, see what opportunities are out there. So let's go dive right in. Last week we got the S&P 500, we had FOMC last week, I think Wednesday. As you can see, this is a daily chart. So what I wanted to highlight on this daily chart, let me zoom back out. We have been trading at this level of 3,600 around there, maybe 3590. We'll just call it there. Now that, if you reference that, that was the high of September 2020 in that area. So that's something to consider as far as that, and maybe that's what we're seeing here as far as some sort of support here. Yes, we did have this volatility here. We broke it during the morning of the FOMC announcement, but we immediately shot up and closed significantly higher during that day, and so we were back down. We didn't have a significant closing. Right now, I'm standing by on the sidelines because it's just like a choppy type of market here. I am just notating those levels, but right now I'm on the sidelines, just waiting for the market to unfold. Areas of interest for me would be a breakout, probably at 3,800. So if not, or break. If we do close lower, I need to get that close and show momentum there. So let's go jump to the NASDAQ. Probably going to see similar price action. Let me just delete my drawings here. There's a lot. NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ is a different story. We did close lower on the daily at 10,738. But we're slowly opening back up. If we go in and on a 1 hour, you're just seeing this big range here, but right now it's just a matter of just sitting and waiting, so that's my analysis on those two. Let's see, let's look at Forex. One thing to notate is the USD yen. Nice good trade here on the bullish side, continuously making new highs. You can see this is a monthly chart. We broke out above the highs of 2015, even went above the highs of 2002, and we are above the high of 98. So the most recent high, the higher target or level would be 158 yen at the high of 1990. Look at that, man. So that's something cool to go check out. This is a monthly chart, but definitely bullish on the USD yen. One more pair for me, just be looking at Euro odd. I like this setup. It's looking good. We closed above on the daily. Let me zoom out. About above 0.53 as a level, and we have good momentum last week on the bullish. So just waiting for a spot to get in and then ride the train. So other than that, pass it over to you, bro.
Right on, man. Speaking of that, the recent high of 1990, like, dude, that's when we were born, bro. Like,
Crazy,
I was in
right?
'89,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
that's insane. Unprecedented
That's
times we're living in. All right, so cool. I'm also looking at Euro odd as well. Oh, let me share screen. My bad. Getting too excited here. Euro odd. Here we go. I like what I'm seeing. I'm looking for a DC2. It's one of our strategies we teach at HTA. It's broken the most recent high, on July 2022. So I like what I am seeing earlier this year, on the daily, and then just we're in this bull trend. So I just want to see a little bit more pullback, and then setting an entry here. Next one I am looking at is pound odd. Similar setup, also waiting for a DC2. Looking to go along with the DC2 with a higher high breaking the most recent price action. So this is what I'm referring to with this note here. So we'll see what happens here. I like what I'm seeing. And we're just none of these trades are set, or none of these the tools that I'm using on TradingView is actually set here to go long yet. It's just something I'm looking at and preparing myself for. As far as Kiwi USD, I just flagged this one because I like the way price action is moving. It's similar to the S&P 500. If we look back, you know, the S&P showed this drop and then it popped back up, broke the most recent high, as you can see here on the hour. And now it's just kind of pulling back. So it could continue on for more. It is an ascending channel, bear continuation one. So it's an AC1 we're going to be looking at here to go short. Finally, dollar yen, and as Glenn stated, you know, we're in this bull run. This is the one we were just referring to as far as the 33 years ago, you know, was the most recent high. So I am liking this one to go long. It may just be a continuation, overall continuation to the upside. And that's pretty much what I'm looking at. I just want to show the crypto charts. So Bitcoin is kind of just been consolidating since June. You know, it's just been in this region, this area between 25K and a low of, let's see how low it actually dropped, 17,000. You know, so a little over 11K there, just fluctuation. As far as the intraday goes, it's still very, very choppy for my strategy. So I'm just on the sidelines for Bitcoin. Glenn already covered S&P. Could either go long or short here, but I'm with Glenn on this one, just sitting out, just staying out of the market, being safe. You don't have to be in the trades all the time. So that's all I got. Oh, last thing I want to go over, economic calendar. So very, very slow week. This is probably the slowest, one of the slowest weeks of the year. And this is a UK announcement, consumer price index. So that's big in America. However, you know, just pay attention to UK. It's a high volatility. Pay attention to the pairs such as the pound, the euro, and that's pretty much it. But I wanted to correlate that because it's really out of the blue where you'll see very little to zero news announcements from America. So I just wanted to show what's going on if you're curious. So we got core inflation rate in the euro region, similar to what we just saw in Forex calendar, but there is this Canada here. So Canada, if you're trading like Kiwi CAD, USD CAD, just be aware that there is a inflation rate, core inflation rate. You know, they're going to be announcing that for September. So just be aware if you're going to be trading the Canadian dollar. And that's pretty much it. That's all we have for me on my end.
Awesome. That's our weekly trading watch list, guys. We put these together for our members. Definitely check it out. And if you haven't yet, if you haven't checked out our trading boot camp that we're putting together, that you guys can join in, it's currently going on, but all the previous calls have been recorded. If you want to learn how to trade like us, like Reed and I, look at the charts the way we look at, take the trades that we take, and use proper risk management and have the right mindset. Definitely, that's something you want to check out. Training.hawaiitrading.com/bootcamp is where you could sign up. Other than that, have a great night.